How to read and use the reporting and attribution dashboard in your Shopify.io sub account. So first go to reporting, just click from the left sidebar. Then after that, view key metrics like leads generated, appointment, books, pipeline value, and revenue. So for example, um, in Google Ads report, we will see the leads generated, appointments or book, or the revenue generated by Google Ads report. So we can also use a data filter to see data by week, month, or custom range. Here, you can just, for example, in 11 to 23. Then all the impression or clicks conversion in between March 11 to March 23 will be seen here. So use this dashboard in your weekly review to track performance and spot areas to improve.